What up, gang? Hey, I don't know if you saw the short that I posted a couple of days ago where I was going to do a lovely little day pack or day hike through the woods, and Mother Nature was like, you know what? I don't want you here. And sent forth a horde of mosquitoes, like biblical proportion. Well, maybe exaggerating a bit. So after running out of the woods with my tail tucked between my legs, I went home, got on Amazon, and I think I got some things that will help me out. I got one of those mosquito head nets, but hopefully I won't have to do that because we've had a substantial decrease in temperature, and the weather or the wind has picked up. So we'll see. I have it in my pack. Hopefully I don't have to use it. And so yeah, let's go hit the woods and enjoy. Looks like we have our autumn olives coming in. Look at that. So think of a natural sweet tart. Very good. So just make sure you look at the berries. Once again, come on, focus. Here we go. You see the little speckles on it? And then here's the leaves. They're an invasive plant to Michigan, or species, whatever the heck they call it, but man, they're good. So we're in a fight, like the state forestry service keeps coming in and taking them down, and I keep coming out and picking the berries. You can make some pretty good stuff out of them. I know, like, you can do a jam that's really good, but you saw how big those were or how small, so it definitely would take a lot to get enough to make jam. So I just snack on them. So somebody started with a debris hut, but the thing is huge. It should be okay like right now, but during the winter time, you're going to want to use your body heat to help warm that, and that is way too big. So you really just want it long enough for you to lay down and the ability to sit up. All right, so after about an hour and a half hiking, came to this beautiful spot right here and figured I'm hungry. Let's have lunch. Hold on. Twice I tried to eat an autumn olive, forgetting that this was there, and went and and it just fell harmlessly to the ground. To repopulate the area since State Forest is pulling them out. So let's eat. All right. Hey, today a little chili non carne from Fire Pot. I've never tried this before, but I'm close enough to the house that if I need something to eat for lunch, I can go make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
So if you saw in the last video, or if you didn't, what this is a denatured alcohol. And what I'm doing is I'm filling up this base with, you guessed it, denatured alcohol. Takes a minute to get it in there because there's a really small hole that I don't feel like grabbing the camera and showing you right now, because I got my old self down here on my knees, and that's where I want to stay for a while. And my dream is that every mosquito here will fly through this flame and have a horrifying death. All right. Wow. All right. There we go. So the thing about alcohol, if you may heard, is it's burning right now. It has almost an invisible flame. Is it burning? Yeah, there it is. Thought I was lying to you guys for a second. All right, so we're going to have a cup of tea. And how much water does this take? Instructions, 2 1/4. Oh, dang. All right, well, this is 1 1/2. And then we're gonna add all of it. So we're gonna see how much water we have. All right. Sounds like we need to put our windscreen up. There we go. I'm seriously not trying to make all this noise, guys. All right, so let that boil. All right, we have boilage. Just in time, too. All right. Sounds like my stove just went out. I could tell a lie and say I planned it that way, but sometimes you're just lucky. All right, so 2 1/2. Let's go. Ooh. It is getting dark too. You might get some of that R word. 1. Two. And a half. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. That would not have been good. Ugh. All right. Stir this bad boy up. It feels like I just put too much water in it, but I'm hoping that whatever's in there is going to soak up all of it, because yeah. While we wait for that to hydrate, we're going to come over here and get some water from that nasty thing. So my goal is dirty water in here. Then I have a Sawyer squeeze filter that I'm going to use for clean water. I'm using my mosquito head net as a pre-filter. As you can tell, there's some nasty looking stuff there. So let's get that going. So we're going to take this dirty brown mess. So we're going to take this brown, we're going to take this end of the Sawyer filter. It screws right on there like that. And supposedly, I say supposedly, we know it works. Pop that off, give it a squeeze, and you have clean water coming out. Isn't technology amazing? I don't taste any fish. So, but there you go. That's pretty cool. It replaces my, I don't know why I'm breathing so hard, guys. It replaces my, oh my gosh, my Katadyn, the one that you have to pump. That is so freaking huge and cumbersome. This right here, that's cool. That is cool. Okay, let's give this bad boy a try. So, it's supposed to be 2¼ cups of water. Wow. Wish I'd have brought some tortillas, man. Take a look at that. Oh, wait. That's pretty good. Definitely will try that again, but pack some tortillas and maybe some cheese. If you can hear, it's raining. This is beautiful. I'm gonna take one more bite, and then I'm gonna put your camera over there so you guys can see the lake. All right, so the rain has stopped, and that means the mosquitoes are gonna come out in force, but that's okay. I mean, look at that view. How about that for lunch? Speaking of which, that was a very good backpacking meal. I couldn't eat all of it, so I will be having that at home tonight on a tortilla with some hot sauce and cheese. So anyway, y'all check that out. All right, we're all packed up, everything put away. Try to leave it better than when I got here. So let's get the heck out of here. Say goodbye. Freaking beautiful. All right, so it's Sunday, August the 11th, and we're supposed to have a meteor shower tonight that I was going to, grab the grandson. Sorry about that, guys. I'm fighting mosquitoes on the only part of skin that I have left. I was going to grab the grandson tonight and come back out to the state park and sit in a parking lot and watch them. But man, it's freaking, 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's dark. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's not the mosquito net. Sorry about that. It's really dark. So I don't know if we'll get to see it or not. It'd be disappointing, but you can't control Mother Nature, right? Although it was pretty cool that the mosquitoes let me eat in peace. They're probably one of the worst spots to, for mosquitoes. So that was pretty cool. Although as soon as I was finished eating, they decided that they wanted some. I was dessert. I didn't know I looked like a snack.
Well, gang, we made it back to the car. The mosquitoes were atrocious, but thank God I got that head net. That thing was a game changer. I don't know why I haven't bought one before, but seriously, get one. Amazon mosquito head net. I think it was like $9 for 2 of them. It's ridiculous. But another 5 hours played out in the woods, if that long. Fell in love with a new backpacking meal company, and yeah, man, just guys, get outside, enjoy Mother Nature. Peace out. Love you.